During a recent Silva Challenge boxing video, while pulling beat up cars from the pile, I set this aside to work on in the future. Thought it looked kind of cool. Then I made the mistake of checking completed listings on eBay. Well, it's sold for prices that just seem silly to me. Since it's in pretty good shape, I considered selling it or doing a giveaway here on the channel. A little more research revealed that the Scene Machine series that this is a part of has a surprise hidden inside. I was able to use my camera on the phone to get a look. Here's what's inside of this one. I don't know. I think that's pretty cool. And that's what's going to keep me from giving it away or cracking it open and doing something crazy to it. I hope you liked taking a look at this casting, and there will be some interesting giveaways on the channel. Just not this one. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and healthy out there, guys. Talk to you later.